All right, so by this point you might be thinking a number of things, among them, Mr. Don, it's great and all that you can make these, but I have no idea where to get started. So that's where we're going to start here. This video is just about how to make the actual videos. All right, so we're going to start using a piece of completely free software that basically takes up no space called Screencast-O-Matic. All right, so following that link, you can come over here to Screencast-O-Matic.com, and it'll look just like this. And it's really, really simple to get started. You don't have to log in, you don't have to sign up, you don't really have to do anything. You just go here and click Start Recording. That takes you over to this page where it does say you can go pro. I have never done that. It adds a couple features that mostly I don't find to be necessary, but if you want to spend the money, your deal. Here though, you can click Launch Recorder, and it will download a small executable file that opens up the app. There's also an option to download the app, I guess, on a more permanent basis. It really doesn't make much of a difference. It'll look the same either way. Which is basically, and I'm not going to do it because I have the app open, so I don't want to know what will happen if I try to open it twice. But it will open up a window across your entire screen that looks like this section right here. All right, so things you want to make sure of is that your microphone is on, and that'll show up by these bars filling up as you talk. And you can change a few things. For example, if you just want the screen showing, which I normally do, just the screen. If you just want the webcam for some reason, for example, you wanted to take a video of yourself on the whiteboard and not really record much of anything else, then you can do that. Or you could do both. And the only really good reason to do that is so you can be in the corner, so you can do this at your students. Beyond that, I'd usually just stick to recording what's on the screen. All right, so you make a choice, you click record, and that's really all you ever have to do once it's open and you're sure that your mic is working. Click record, and then you can present however you'd normally present. So if you normally work off of Smart Notebook, you could have something open in Smart Notebook. If you happen to have a touchscreen, you could just write whatever you want on the screen as you go. If you have a smartboard attached, you could actually be recording this while you're up at the smartboard, even if you don't have the webcam on. It will record that as your main screen. But again, if you prefer presenting from PowerPoint, present from PowerPoint. If you prefer using Prezi, go ahead and do your Prezi, whatever software you would normally use for your presentations, you can use. And you add basically exactly how you would normally do your lecture over the top. And the nice thing is about what I'm about to show you about our other software is normally I imagine you would have some sort of feedback in your lectures. You would ask questions and get answers. What I'm going to show you next is how you can do that using videos. And again, it'll work whether you're sending it home or whether you're circling around the classroom in a blended learning situation, watching the students watch a video of you, whatever you're into.